Uploading datasets. The EU Pollinator Hub is a living platform whose heart beats thanks to data providers. To become a data provider, just click on the Data Provider Dashboard button located in the homepage. The first step to become a data provider is to fill the registration form. Fill in your name or the name of the organisation, add an abbreviation, and select your country of operations. Fill in your contact information so our administrators can contact you and best provide support. After accepting the terms and conditions, click on the button Become Data Provider to finalise the form. The platform is also designed for collaborative work. You can add members to your team so they can directly access the data you upload. Here you must also define their role as administrators, editors, or members. Once your account is set up, go to My Data Catalogue on the top menu. Here you will find a complete overview of your uploaded datasets once available. To upload your datasets, click on New Dataset. The first action is to fill the form and provide essential information about the dataset. First, define in the data providers field if only you or another person or organisation are participating in uploading the data. You can include additional information like the DOI or Digital Object Identifier. If the dataset does not count with the DOI, one may be created in the future in reference to its position in the platform. Another important aspect is to define the license attribution for the data. If you wish the data to be open to the public, a commonly recommended standard is Attribution 4.0 International. Please review available options and find out more about their implications in the See License Details link. Fill in the rest of the form and specify if there are any additional contributors from a list of registered users in the platform and specify their role. Finally, you can also add references relevant to the dataset. Currently, one format is available, but others will soon be integrated. If you use a reference management software, this tool will allow you to export the reference in a compatible format. Toggle the Published switch if you wish to make the data and related information publicly available. You can also select a publishing date to keep the data under embargo until a specific date. After completing the form, click on Create to continue the process. Congratulations! You have successfully created a new space for your dataset. The next step in the process is to add your data. To do so, you will add a new table. Fill the table form and specify if this is originally your data. Should the data come from an extraction of existing public data, for instance, fill in the type of license under which the dataset will be used. Finalize the form and click on Create. You now have created a table under your dataset and are ready to upload your data. Just click on Upload Data. You can now select and upload your data file. Once your upload is complete, provide some important information about your table. Define the column delimiter, the decimal separator, and the file encoding. Also define how missing values are characterized. Some common examples include null, n/a, or nan. Finally, click Upload. You can now check that the data has been successfully uploaded and integrated into the platform. Toggle between metadata, descriptive measures, data quality measures, and the other tabs to verify that the data has been adequately uploaded. If you encounter any issues, try deleting and uploading your data. Also double-check all information on delimiters, separators, and encoding are correct. Once you see the platform is successfully reading the data, you can now turn to describe it. First, click on the Describe button. Column by column, you can now add a description and specify the measurement units. Make sure that you add the information for each column. You can fill the information for each column by directly clicking on their title located on top of the form. Back on the table overview page, you can also upload supplementary information, graphs, or charts by following the Upload Supplemental button. Uploading supplementals like charts and graphs is easy. You can just upload your file and add a description. You have now finalized uploading your data and adding all necessary descriptions. The final step is to submit your dataset for the EU Pollinator Hub team to review it. To submit your dataset, you can access the data overview page on My Data Catalogue and click on the dataset you want to submit. To finalize the process, click on Submit for review. Make sure your license and permissions are defined before submitting. You can always modify these options in the Edit button. The EU Pollinator Hub team will review your submission. Please wait a few days before your data becomes available on the platform. Should there be any issues, our team will contact you. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the functionalities of the EU Pollinator Hub. For more information and inquiries, visit pollinatorhub.eu.